TICE TV. Today we are here at NASSCOM COE event and we are looking how AI is changing the different industries. So I have with me Ankur, who is the founder of Homors. It's a new age startup which really helps you understand your health status. So let's understand from Ankur how he's working and how it's really changing the healthcare industry. Welcome, Ankur.
Yeah, hi.
So, can you quickly tell me about Homors and how you founded it and what is the idea behind it?
Yes. So basically, Humors is a preventive healthcare company, and how I started because at the time of second wave of COVID, I lost my uncle. He was a doctor, so at the time of COVID, patient treatment only got affected with the virus. So that time I saw multiple loophole in the medical industry. So that's how me and my team started deep research on this particular area. Then we got to know through breath technology it is possible we can screen those lifestyle disorder in a very early stage. So that's how we started our company in the form.
Also, Ankur, can you tell me how because healthcare is a really a field where people want to go to physically to a doctor.
Yeah.
So in that case, how you really are integrating AI with healthcare?
Yeah. So I will tell you simple point like at the age of 20s to 50s, generally we think we are healthy and fit, but it's actually we look fit from outside. But internally, due to our unhealthy lifestyle, this all lifestyle disease started affecting in a very early stage. And as a layman, we don't understand those symptoms in early stage. We go to the doctor at that time when the symptom is in the physical condition. At that time, definitely doctor recommend you the medications and all. So whatever the golden period like 6 months or 1 year time is there where you can reverse those diseases, that already missed out. So basically, we created our first product, Respire 1.2. So that product is basically focusing on the lifestyle screening in a very early stage, and the best beauty of our product is like it's a non-invasive and it's based on the breath. So simply user have to blow into the device. That's it, and within a minute you will get your entire health data on your mobile application.
So, like how accurate this technology is, because AI is definitely a technology, and when we go to a doctor physically, so
Yeah.
there's a lot of difference.
Yes,
So, what is the accuracy rate?
So see, this devices comes under the wellness category, but still we did the clinical study with the multiple hospital with the AIMS JSS, and after that we got some correlation with the real gold standard with our breath marker, and right now we are into the accuracy range of 90%. We did the clinical study with the multiple hospital, and we also got the ethical approval with the hospitals, and now we are planning for the clinical validation process. So that is, so right now I can say the accuracy is 90% right now.
Okay. So, as your product is incubated at NASSCOM COE, so can you quickly tell me how what sort of support do you get from NASSCOM COE, and what are your like expansion plans for with them?
So basically, NASSCOM COE help us from start itself. They only connected us with the GSS Mysore in terms of the clinical study and all. And after right now, we starting our pre-launch also. So I discussed with NASSCOM COE. So they are really happy to show the progress of the device, and they want to install this device also in their experience center and all. So definitely they are helping us in terms of developing the product also, and now in terms of the business part also.